Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to welcome you to a new episode of our program for this week. Today we are meeting Dr. Syed Ateeque Hussain Naqvi. Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you very much.
It's good to mention that Dr. Syed is consultant general and surgeon at Symbiosis Medical Centre. So first of all, we would like to know a little bit about yourself, please.
Yeah, actually, I'm originally from Pakistan, but I travel on British passport.
Okay.
And I did my primary education from Pakistan, and then I did my post-graduation from Ireland, UK, and France.
Yeah. Okay. You previously told us that you've been here since 2010. Yeah. So how was the beginning here in Dubai?
The beginning was we moved to Dubai in September 2010. The main reason for that was, my daughter was growing up and we thought we should bring her to some Muslim country. And the second point was just it's closer to home. Pakistan is just 2.5 hours, 3 hours flight. So that was the initial plan. And then we thought when they'll go to the universities, we might switch over back to UK. But that never happened. UAE has, Dubai is, I would say, is addiction really. Once you settle over here, it's very difficult to get out of it. So then we decided to continue over here.
Perfect.
And then expanded the business and all these things.
So where did you get the idea of, hey, let's start Symbiosis Medical Centre?
It was idea of a friend of mine. Because he was in Dubai maybe 7-8 years before me. But he was relocating back to UK at that stage. So I took over this project and then I finished this project actually. He only took the lease from the DSO, but all the construction work and everything that was done by myself.
Perfect. Today we're going to talk about Symbiosis in details. What is it? What does it specialize in? And what services does it offer to patients?
Symbiosis Medical Centre is a multi-speciality clinic, including all the medical side, dental side, rehabilitation and wellness.
Perfect.
So in medical side, we have general practice, family medicine, we have endocrinologist, we have rheumatologist, we have pediatrics, we have ENT specialist, we have general surgeon, we have orthopedics and sports medicine, and we have gynecology and obstetrics.
Perfect.
And in dental, we have almost all the specialties. We have 2 rooms, and there are about 6 dentists they're working with us as we speak.
Perfect. So it's like a hospital.
It's like a mini hospital without having inpatient activities.
Okay.
So we are not a daycare center. We are just a outpatient clinic. The initial concept was to build up a community clinic. It's because the concept was a community clinic. So then gradually, we keep on expanding the specialties, and now, alhamdulillah, in DSO, and we can say in most of Dubai, I think we are one of the biggest facilities with maximum insurance companies, including Emirates Airlines, and Fly Dubai with us.
So would you please tell us about the newest techniques that you use here?
I didn't catch it.
Like techniques, equipment, new equipment, latest ones.
We are using more or less whatever innovations are introduced in the market. We try to bring them on board with us. Recently we have started static services, and now we are just working more on the statics because we have a wellness part as well. So we want to expand the wellness part of the clinic, and now we have a dermatologist on board, we have a static doctor on board. So now we'll be getting more and more of all the latest equipments which are they're being introduced. So that's the plan.
Okay. What makes you today more special in Dubai's market, since there's a lot of medical centers out there?
Most of the medical centers, they have very limited specialties. That we are unique in a way that we are multi-specialties, which can be comparable to any hospital in Dubai. It's apart from the very higher end of the specialties like radiology with CT scan, MRI, or oncology with surgical intervention and all those things. We are only lacking those things. But just like whatever specialty you find in a hospital, we have it in here.
Perfect.
And the second thing is, the patients are more comfortable in a clinic environment. Because the time span is hardly half an hour to 1 hour. They just come in, get registered, go to the doctor, and they are out of the clinic in 1 hour.
Yeah.
If they go to the hospital, you're talking about 4 or 5 hours of your time.
You told me that you have a vision to expand. So do you have any other visions, future vision for Symbiosis Medical Centre?
We are working at the minute on stem cells and CAR T cell therapies.
Perfect.
They are they are going to be the future, and we are also working and planning to develop our rehabilitation center and get into the regenerative medicine to bring it on board. And the new concepts which are coming are. They are all about the wellness and the lifestyle of the person. It's not about the treatment. So basically, you will be working proactively rather than waiting for the disease to come and then act on it.
Yeah.
So the regenerative medicine and rehabilitation would be coming up with that concept. We are hoping by the start of next year, inshallah, we'll be bringing that on board.
You have been here since 2010. You are investing here as well. So you're feeling the safety and security that the country is offering to us, correct?
Absolutely, yeah.
Yeah. Therefore, would you like to address the Emirates leaders, rulers, and sheikhs a thank you message and greet them since we are in the month of Ramadan?
Yeah, I'm grateful to the Sheikh Muhammad and the rest of the leaders of the different parts of the UAE. It has been very comfortable working in UAE. We got the support what we wanted. The most important thing was the security of you and your family and your business. And
correct.
I found it 100%. I have been an entrepreneur in Pakistan. I have done some business in UK as well. But the sport and the security I feel in UAE, that has never been anywhere else.
Yeah.
So I really grateful and thank you very much to His Excellencies for all this.
To the people who supported you from the beginning of your journey until now, would you like to address them a thank you message?
Yeah, I have been very lucky to have a wonderful team. It's Mr. Naqvi. He has been with me when he was a young boy. Now he is in his coming to his late 30s. And most of the team which I started in 2010, alhamdulillah, I am still having almost 80% of the same team.
Yeah.
So I am very lucky in that way. We just want to work as a family. So that's the atmosphere we try to give, and I thank to my wife. She has been dealing with operations over here since the start of this project.
Perfect.
And now lately, I will thank my daughter Tanir as well. She is dealing with the marketing now.
Yeah.
So alhamdulillah. Things are going the way we wanted them to go. Really,
Perfect. Now, would you please tell the audience how they can reach Symbiosis?
It's very simple. Normally whenever somebody asks, we send them the location. But it's the Dubai Silicon Oasis is a well-known place now. It's not Dubai Silicon Oasis. It's the Dubai Silicon Oasis city now. So whosoever come to DSO, see the shopping center is the first shopping center of this.
Yeah.
And our big what would I say? The landmark is the big spin is there, which is in the shopping center.
Yeah.
And we are the second biggest the project over here.
Yeah. And are you available on social media?
Yes.
Social media?
Yeah, the social media, we use all kind of social media. I mean, the Facebook, the Insta, and all these we are on it. Yeah.
Dr. Syed, thank you so much for being with us today.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, from our team on program, we wish you the best of luck.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for being with us today from Symbiosis Medical Centre with Dr. Syed Ateeque Hussain Naqvi. Hopefully, we'll see you in the next episode with a new successful story.